Why should you consider full-body exercises for weight loss? Let's dive into the magic behind this approach. Full-body exercises are a powerhouse for shedding pounds, primarily because they amplify your metabolism. Engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously, these exercises not only increase your calorie burn during the workout but also boost your metabolic rate long after you've finished. Moreover, they ensure a balanced development across different muscle groups, enhancing overall strength and endurance. Now, knowing the benefits, let's explore some effective exercises you can start today. Begin every workout session with a warm-up to prevent injuries and maximize effectiveness. Let's get those muscles ready for action with a simple yet effective warm-up routine. Start with arm circles, extending your arms and rotating them in big, slow circles. This helps loosen the shoulders and upper back. Next, engage in leg swings. Hold on to something for support and swing each leg back and forth, which fires up the hip flexors and hamstrings. Finish with a minute of gentle jogging in place, elevating the heart rate and warming the entire body. With your muscles warmed up, you're ready to jump into more intense exercises. First up, the mighty squat. This fundamental exercise targets multiple key areas. To begin a proper squat, stand with feet shoulder-width apart and toes slightly turned out. Engage the core and keep the chest lifted as you push your hips back, bending the knees as if sitting in an invisible chair. Aim to lower until thighs are parallel to the ground, ensuring knees don't go past the toes. Press through the heels to stand back up, returning to the starting position. The squat is a powerhouse of a move, engaging the glutes, quads, and hamstrings. Each time you lower down, these muscles work in harmony, not only building strength but also ramping up your metabolism. This metabolic boost is crucial for weight loss as it increases calorie burn even when you're not working out. Additionally, the squat enhances your balance and mobility, which can improve your performance in a variety of other exercises and daily activities. Perfecting the squat ensures you're building strength and burning calories efficiently. Next, let's push up your weight loss with push-ups. Now, to get the most out of this classic exercise, it's crucial to nail the correct form. Start in a plank position with your hands firmly placed on the ground, slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your feet together, back flat, and your body in a straight line from head to heels. As you lower yourself, aim to keep your elbows at a 45-degree angle to your body and exhale as you push back up to the starting position. For those just starting out, modifying push-ups can make them more accessible. Try performing them on your knees, or use a wall or elevated surface to reduce the strain. On the flip side, if you're looking to amplify the challenge, introduce variations like the clap push-up or Spider-Man push-up to keep your muscles guessing and growing. Remember, push-ups not only strengthen the upper body but also engage your core, enhancing your total body strength. Now, step forward into lunges, a powerful exercise for the legs and core. Lunges are not just a simple step forward, they are a dynamic powerhouse that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. To perform a lunge correctly, start by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. As you step forward with one leg, lower your hips until both knees are bent at about 90 degrees. Ensure the front knee is directly above the ankle, not pushed out too far, and the back knee should not touch the floor. Keep your upper body straight and maintain a strong core throughout the movement. This exercise is fantastic for enhancing hip flexibility and core stability. It strengthens the glutes, quadriceps, and hamstrings while also engaging the abdominal muscles and lower back. Lunges are also beneficial for improving the symmetry of your body and correcting imbalances, as each leg works independently. Integrate lunges into your routine to see improvements in balance and lower body strength. Hold steady, it's time for planks, a top exercise for core conditioning. Let's dive into the proper way to hold a plank. Start by positioning yourself face down, elbows directly under your shoulders and forearms flat on the ground. Extend your legs straight back, resting on your toes. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Now engage your core by pulling your belly button towards your spine and ensure your hips don't sag or pike up. Keep your gaze down to maintain a neutral neck position. Planks do more than just sculpt your midsection. They enhance your entire body's stability and endurance. This exercise fires up various muscles simultaneously, boosting your metabolic rate even after your workout is over. Furthermore, maintaining this alignment improves your overall posture, helping you look and feel better. By integrating planks into your routine, you're not just building strength, you're setting a foundation for a healthier body. Regular planks can transform your core strength and contribute significantly to your weight loss goals. As we cool down, let's recap the exercises that will help you achieve your weight loss goals. We began with the essential warm-ups, preparing your body for the workout ahead. Remember, a good warm-up reduces the risk of injury and enhances performance. Next, we dove into the world of squats. This foundational move works wonders on your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, boosting your metabolism and aiding in fat burning. Following the squats, we explored push-ups, a versatile exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. By engaging multiple muscle groups, push-ups help in burning more calories and toning your upper body. Then we stepped into lunges, focusing on lower body strength. Lunges are great for sculpting your legs and improving balance and coordination. Lastly, we held our ground with planks. This exercise is key for strengthening the core, alongside enhancing posture and overall stability. Incorporate these full-body exercises into your routine, and you'll not only lose weight but also gain a stronger, healthier body. Start today and see the transformation for yourself.